Statue of Equality at Hyderabad features which Bhakti saint? A. Ramanujacharya, B. Vallabhacharya, C. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, D. Madhavacharya. And the answer is Ramanujacharya. Which is the only Indian documentary that has been nominated at 2022 Oscar Awards? Option A, India Untouched. Option B, Writing with Fire. C, Period, End of Sentence. D, Jai Bhim. Answer is Writing with Fire. Belarus is bordered by which sea? A, Baltic Sea, B, North Sea, C, Black Sea, D, no sea border. Answer is no sea border. Which country launched National Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Program? A, USA, B, China, C, India, D, Russia. Answer is USA. Which country has won the AFC Women's Asian Cup 2022 title? A, India, B, China, C, Japan, D, South Korea. Answer is China. Which country launched initiatives under Maitri program to boost ties with India? A, USA, B, UK, C, Australia, D, Japan. Answer is Australia. The Soil Health Card scheme was launched in which year? A, 2010, B, 2015, C, 2018, D, 2020. Answer is 2015. Dharma Guardian exercise is an annual military exercise between India and which country? A, Sri Lanka, B, Japan, C, Australia, D, UAE. Answer is B, Japan. Upper Bhadra lift irrigation project is being implemented in which state? A, Tamil Nadu, B, Andhra Pradesh, C, Karnataka, D, Maharashtra. And the answer is C. Karnataka. Which country is associated with the Protect Our Democracy Act? A. USA, B. Canada, C. India, D. Indonesia. And the answer is A. USA. Silver Line is a semi-high-speed railway project being constructed in which state? A. Karnataka, B. Kerala, C. Gujarat, D. Odisha. And the answer is B. Kerala. Trace Gas Orbiter TGO was launched to analyze the atmosphere of which planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. And the answer is B. Mars. Which state has documented the odonate fauna for the first time? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Karnataka. And the answer is D. Kerala. Who is the chairperson of National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development? A. Usha Tharat, B. Urjit Patel, C. K.B. Kamnath, D. Viral Acharya. And the answer is K.B. Kamnath. Which Indian town has been awarded the Best World Tourism Village by UNESCO? A. Kumbakonam, B. Ponchampally, C. Atirapalli, D. Araku. Answer is Ponchampally. Which country inaugurated the first Global Innovation Summit of the pharma sector? A. India, B. Australia, C. Denmark, D. Spain. Answer is India. When is the International Human Solidarity Day observed every year? A. December 18, B. December 20, C. December 21, D. December 22. And the answer is December 20. India's first green hydrogen microgrid project is to come up in which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Karnataka. And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which institution recently released thresholds on air quality norms? A. World Health Organization. B. World Bank. C. World Resource Institute. D. World Meteorological Organization. Answer is World Health Organization. Which country launched the Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite or GEOST satellite? A. Russia. B. China. C. USA. D. UAE. And the answer is C. USA.